Guys, it seems like it's charger and cables week this week, as I've been sent a bunch of different, well, chargers and cables. So first up is a 2-pack 60-watt charging and data transfer cables and a fast cigarette lighter to dual USB-C charge adapter by VOLTME. Now, if you're interested in any of this kind of stuff, stick around and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, we've got a 2-pack of USB-C data and charging cables, and we've got a car cigarette lighter adapter which gives you 2 fast charge USB-C ports. So this is set to be quite a nice, useful combination. Now, before we get into it guys, VOLTME sent me this cable pack and car adapter to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. First up guys is the VOLTME Power Link rug. This is a 60-watt charging cable. 60 watts? Yeah, a lot of people don't really know that charging cables are actually rated for either power delivery and or data transfer rates, as not all power cables can be used for data transfer. So these PowerLink cables from VOLTME are rated at 60 watts, meaning that providing you have a powerful or suitable charger, you're going to get a fast charge from these cables. They're also constructed extremely nicely with connectors that can withstand over 10,000 plug and unplugs, and this really strong nylon braiding can actually withstand over 20,000 bends, and they come with this nice Velcro cable management loop, which is most welcome for keeping all these cables neat and tidy. And lastly guys, VOLTME stand behind their products, offering a full 24 months warranty, and all this for around $11.99 at the time of this video going live. And there is also a 15% discount on Amazon, which I will leave the link in the description. Now guys, what about this 12 volt car lighter adapter? Well, yeah, I know lots of modern cars have USB and USB-C sockets fitted, right? And these days, you know, you don't really have a lot of use for these, but you know what? Lots of cars still don't have all of that, and you know what they do have is a 12 volt, what used to be a cigarette lighter adapter, but I guess smoking's not that PC anymore, right? So we call it something else, a 12 volt adapter, whatever. But it doesn't have to be a car. It could be a truck, it could be a boat, but whatever it is, having the ability to connect 2 USB-C charge cables into a handy little adapter package, I think is most welcome. And guys, in terms of specs, well, this car adapter supports multiple fast charging options, including PD 3.0, that's power delivery, SCP, AFC and PPS. And guys, that PPS protocol of USB-C ports enables the car charger to intelligently output the right power according to the connected device, which ensures a fast and safe power supply for all your devices, so you're covered. Also guys, a single port, so there's 2 ports here, C1 and C2 for techies. A single port can provide you with a full 30 watts, and if you use C1, C2 or port 1 and port 2 together, then you are going to get 24 watts. That's not bad. And guys, just by way of an example, I charged an iPhone 15 Pro to 50% in just 25 minutes. So that is not bad at all. And the nice thing is this VOLTME car adapter is pretty solid and it's nice and small, giving you unobstructed access to wherever you plug this in. You know, like some of these adapters used to be like massive. I've probably got some kicking around here somewhere, but they used to be massive. But you know what? Plug this in, you're not even going to know it's there, and it fits pretty flush wherever you plug it. And guys, just to say, this works flawlessly with USB-C phones, tablets, and more. And right now, guys, at the time of this video, you can pick this up for about £10 with the discount and add an 18-month warranty to the mix, and you got yourself a nice deal here. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This VOLTME package is a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. It combines top-notch performance, durability and versatility all into one sleek package. And if you're looking for a cable and car adapter package, well, I can tell you now, this is a great place to start. I'll leave any product links and discounts in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to VOLTME for sending me this pretty nice kit. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.